Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2017 Dodge Journey SE Edition SUV that's factory certified. On the outside of this Journey, we have heated and power door mirrors, speed-sensitive wipers, and halogen quad headlamps. Inside, you'll find easy-to-clean cloth seating for 7, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and push-to-start technology. The 4.3-inch display has Uconnect Voice Command with Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Dodge Journey has less than 42,000 miles, is factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.